Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 1966 Chevy Corvette Stingray, and this is by M2 Machines. So this one is actually limited to 9,000 pieces worldwide. So I personally loved this color so much, so I bought this one. Even the artwork looks really cool on this one. Okay, let's unbox and see how this one looks. Okay. Okay, so it has a cool artwork inside. So I personally love Stingray because it looks so awesome. It has some unique design to it. So here is the car. So in the acrylic case, yes, it comes with the acrylic case. Okay, let's open this. Yeah. So here is the car. Okay, let me just unscrew this one, guys. Just give me a minute. So here it is, guys. So here is the base, and it has some nice texture to it, like a shop floor. And let's put this aside for a minute. Okay, so here it is. So the initial impressions of this car are like, the paint job looks really so amazing. It's a glittery purple. It is not too glittery like the Lamborghini STO, that Huracan STO which we unboxed, which was by the Mini GT one. So this one looks really beautiful. It still looks glittery. I'm not sure if you can pop up the headlights. Let's see. Okay, I don't want to break anything here, but I'm pretty sure this one you can open. Okay, it is pretty tight. Oh my god, it's really tight. Okay, this side is really easy to open, and this one is really tight. So the fuel cap is painted. It's embossed and painted on top of it. So the tail lights are actually painted. So I really wish they actually had some kind of fiber for this headlights and taillights. At least Mini GT does that one. So this whole car is made of metal. So there is no plastic parts in the body and chassis here. So this one is also, the exhaust is also painted, which personally I don't like, specifically for the price range which we are buying these things. So here are the headlights. I'm not sure if this will pop up. We are supposed to pop this up, or it's just a design here. Okay, let's look at the details. I'll just figure out how to open the engine bay in the meantime. So I don't know, it has some gap here. The casting is not really perfect, but it looks really nice, and it is very heavy. So let's open this part here and show you the interior here. So if you guys are wondering, the interior, the seats and everything, that is made of plastic. And this casting has some irregularities actually. So as you can see here. Let me try to just push it. Okay. Wow. Literally every side of the wheels are actually having some kind of irregularity. Okay, I can say the casting is a okay one. Because as you can see, the tire didn't fit the rims really well. When I try to push it here, I'm not sure if this is my case or every other casting had the same issue. Okay, let me try to open this engine bay here and let me see if this is openable or not. So just give me a minute, guys. I will be back. So I figured out how to open the engine bay. So you just need to put something here and just lift it up. So the engine has great details to it. But still the headlights are not it's not popping up or anything. I think it's just here for design, if I'm not wrong. No, nothing is happening here. So if you guys own this particular casting and if the headlights are really poppable, just let me know, because I'm really not sure. I don't want to break it. Okay, I'm not going to do a roll test on this one because we already figured out the tires actually doesn't fit the wheel really well. So it's just, at this point, it's just waste of our time and if you do that. So rest of the casting, it's okay. It's not a very well made casting, but the car looks really beautiful. Honestly, this casting doesn't justify how beautiful this car looks. I mean the actual car. So I think I do have one or two more Stingrays, which is by, I think, Hot Wheels or Majorette. I did unbox it sometime back, one if I'm not wrong. So I need to check it out. So yeah, that's it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.